Now, one of the things I love about the 26-inch Weber kettle so far is the space. Now, sometimes it's a little hard to describe it, so I figured I'd show you how many chicken thighs you can fit on it. On the regular 22-inch Weber kettle, I can fit about 17 chicken thighs. In contrast, those same chicken thighs take up this amount of space on the 26-inch Weber kettle. There's still room for about 14 more chicken thighs. Now that brings the grand total to 31 chicken thighs. That's a lot of chicken. Now keep in mind that in both the 22-inch and the 26-inch, a section on the grill is reserved for the heat source. This method of cooking is called indirect cooking because your chicken is not cooked directly on top of the fire. So when cooking indirectly, you're sacrificing a bit of the grate space to make room for the heat source. I'm using the SNS insert on both the 22-inch and the 26-inch kettle, so if you want to increase the capacity by just a little bit more, you can certainly swap it out with the Weber baskets, since they take a little less space. Now, I can't be rambling about this much chicken talk without actually cooking it, right? So be sure to check out this little montage I put together. Hopefully this is useful to you to help illustrate how much chicken thighs you can fit on the 26-inch Weber kettle. But well, what about other proteins? My first cook, I was able to fit 2 spatchcock chickens with no problems. In my previous video, I cooked the 17-pound brisket on it with plenty of room to spare. And in my next video, I cooked 2 racks of pork ribs. So be sure to check out those videos next.